The banking industry is navigating various challenges related to legacy systems. These outdated systems, often built with legacy programming languages running on expensive older hardware, struggle to keep up with modern demands. They are difficult to integrate with new applications and services. Both internal employees and clients, accustomed to seamless digital experiences in other aspects of their lives, expect easier user experience. Banks are feeling the pressure to adapt or risk falling behind.
Maintaining these aging systems is becoming increasingly expensive. Finding developers skilled in outdated programming languages is a growing challenge. Security vulnerabilities in legacy systems pose a significant risk. Banks must address these issues strategically to remain competitive in a rapidly evolving digital landscape.
One approach to modernization is refacing. This involves creating a modern user interface while preserving the backend system. Think of it as giving an old house a fresh coat of paint. It improves the look and feel without addressing the underlying structural issues.
Refacing can be a quick and cost-effective way to improve the user experience for both internal employees and clients. It allows banks to provide a more modern look and feel without a complete system overhaul. However, it's important to note that refacing alone does not address the underlying issues of legacy systems. It's a temporary solution that can buy time while planning for a more comprehensive modernization strategy. By refacing outdated interfaces, we aim to create a seamless and intuitive experience for all users, enhancing productivity and satisfaction across the board.
Approach 2. Looking under the hood. For a more substantial modernization effort, banks can turn to modularization, refactoring, and API-fication.
This involves decomposing large monolithic legacy systems into smaller, more manageable components' business capabilities, making maintenance cost-effective. These components can then be modernized independently and connected via APIs.
Refactoring is the process of improving the internal structure of code without changing its external behavior, positioning the application development team to deliver new features faster. It's like cleaning up a messy room. The contents are the same, but the organization is significantly improved.
API-fication allows these modernized modules to communicate with each other and with external systems, benefiting both internal employees and clients.
Approach 3. The nuclear option intelligent rewrite. In certain situations, the complexity of a legacy system makes an intelligent rewrite the most viable solution.
This can be streamlined by leveraging advanced AI tools to translate and transform legacy code, ensuring no business logic is lost. This approach offers the opportunity to rebuild the specific business capability using modern technologies and best practices.
In addition, provides a clean slate to design a business capability optimized for current and future needs, and can become a reusable component to be plugged into different systems. This approach allows banks to eliminate technical redundancies and debt accumulated over years of patching and modifying legacy systems.
However, it's crucial to have a well-defined strategy and realistic expectations. A phased approach, where modules are rewritten and integrated incrementally, can mitigate risks and ensure smooth transitions for both internal employees and clients.
Modern intelligent applications are designed to be agile, adaptable, and user-centric. These applications enable continuous modernization, making it an ongoing journey rather than a one-time event.
By embracing an agile and iterative approach, businesses can keep pace with technological advancements and rapidly changing customer expectations. This requires a cultural shift towards continuous improvement and innovation.
A user-centric approach allows businesses to tailor their services to the specific needs of their customers and internal employees.
Leveraging data analytics helps understand customer and employee behavior and preferences. Personalized financial advice, customized product offerings, and proactive customer support are key differentiators enabled by modern intelligent applications.
For your application modernization needs, call Chris Asayan today.